Today I want to make a fairy costume. So currently this is day 9 of Copper Top Inc.'s costume ball, and there is a prompt for fairy coming up, I think on day 22. The prompt prior to fairy is doll, so I'm thinking I may combine both of them and make one of those flying fairy dolls. If you were a 90s kid, you can remember there were these really cute, like pink and blue dolls with the wings on their arm. Super cute. Extremely dangerous when it came to flying close to your hair because it would always grab your hair. And I remember that they came back a few years ago because my niece got one for Christmas. And the moment that she let it go, I ducked down because I knew that it would grab my hair. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be working on making the wings and seeing what I have in my closet to put it all together so that you can do it too. If you'd like to see all of these costumes for the costume ball, please make sure to follow me on Instagram and share your makes with me too. You can see G right over there. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is remember what the shape of the wing is, and it is a long piece like this with a few curves on the edge. I already cut this piece out, and I'm just going to trace it upside down on the other piece so that I have two to match. And this should be a really easy costume, or at least the wings should be. And once you have that traced out, just go ahead and cut it. After you're done cutting your wing out, make sure to grab some tape and cover those holes so that when you paint it, it's a smooth finish. Alright, so now that we have our wings, we can test it out. Okay, I think this is pretty cute. I think this is long enough. Remember that these curves are going to go to the back. So the big curve goes forward, little curves to the back. Now we have the paint. As always, your wings may be different than mine based off of the doll that you choose. I think I'm going to go with a pink wing and some purple in the inside. And if I find that doll, I'll put her right here. But those are the paints that I have, and it'll just be easier for me to make that doll. I think this is going to be a really quick costume to make. Hopefully it's just a one-day make, and let's hope I don't jinx myself, because I say that and then things go wrong. So I'm going to get the paint and we'll get started. I first painted the wings pink and started mixing a couple of colors, my purple and white to get that lilac color, and made the shape that I wanted for the inside of the wing. I had some metallic white paint and I used that as the shimmery section in the middle of the purple. Once that was dry, I flipped it over and painted the back pink. Hi everyone, it's been a few days. Today is day 15 of the Copper Top costume ball. That puts us at Disney Villain. I haven't been working on my costume because it's been a work week and I've been tired, but I'm gonna get started on finishing this fairy costume. So what I have here is this extra fabric, purple fabric that I had in my stash. I'm going to make kind of like a tutu skirt because that's what the fairies wear. And I'm going to have some pink pantyhose and this pink like bathing suit thing. We'll see how it goes, but I'll be working on this. And then I got this yarn that I'm gonna see how I can turn that into a wig that I can wear. So once I'm done with this, I will be able to put it all together and so hopefully show you the end results. One thing's for sure, I do not like doing gathering stitches. I have to use some crochet thread and that zigzag stitch in order to gather my pieces. It just never works out with the gathering stitches. I did try to make this into a wig for probably like 30 seconds, and then I gave up because it just wasn't working out, so I decided to just wear my regular hair. But I will try to use this for a wig eventually. That's literally the reason why I bought this yarn, so maybe one day I'll make a wig out of it. This is the final look. There are a few things that I would like to change. One of them would be to add an additional strap on the top section of the wings so that it'll hold a lot better on your shoulder. I felt like I was trying to hold it on with my armpit, and that just doesn't seem like fun. So try to use an extra strap on the top section of the wing. Other than that, I think this look came out really good. I really enjoyed it. It was really easy and quick to make, and it was a doll that I definitely had as a child, so it was really nice to dress up like that. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to see more videos like this one. If you do make this costume, please make sure to share your makes with me on Instagram. I always love seeing your makes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time!